Happy Thanksgiving from Larson Electronics. Gobble up the good lighting gear with ATEX rated and explosion-proof LED lighting for refineries, chemical, and processing plants. Traffic, street, and signal lighting for a variety of applications. Solar-powered LED lighting with color options. IP65 rated flood lighting. Pad mount transformers for delivering power to residential areas and homes. Heavy-duty tripod lighting for general work, hunting, or camping. Crane lighting for pedestrian safety and ground marking. UVC sanitation and disinfection lighting for killing viruses, bacteria, and germs. Far UVC lighting that is safe for eyes and skin. Power distribution units for delivering portable power anytime, any place. Gobble it up at larsonelectronics.com. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.